Welcome to the Sonia Student User Guide step-by-step tutorial series. During this module, we will cover Step 6, how to fill out your timesheets. Once you start your internship, completed all your checks, it's now time to start logging your hours with Sonia. Best practice is to log your hours at least once a week. Your preceptor will get a reminder email at the end of every month to approve your hours. However, hours ultimately do not have to be approved until the end of the semester. If you log your hours regularly, chances are your preceptor will approve them regularly. Let's see what logging hours with Sonia actually looks like. Once you're logged into Sonia, to submit a timesheet, you must go to the Placements tab. Then you want to go to your placement group, which you should only see one placement group. For this example, we're looking at 2019 Fall Undergraduate Internships. Click on the navy blue Timesheets button. This will take you to your timesheets page. Create a timesheet for every day you worked at your internship. To create a new timesheet, click on the Add New Timesheets button. The date will automatically populate with today's date, so be sure to change the date if you are backdating activities. So for example, let's put the 27th. Keep the unit. First you want to input the duration. So let's say I just worked 2 hours. Keep the unit as hours. And then click Activity for the drop-down menu. Keep in mind, basic data entry, filing, menial office tasks, independent research, and shadowing and observation cannot accumulate for more than 10% of your total hours. I really should only see project development here. There really isn't any other options for attendance status, so keep it at internship. And then you want to put in a comment so that your preceptor knows exactly what you did that day so they feel comfortable approving your timesheet. So in this example, I'm going to put developed pre-post test and then press save. Your hours will then move to your preceptor or instructor for approval. You can review whether your hours are approved or not under totals and the activity breakdown. So you could see right here, here's totals and here's the activity breakdown. So expected hours is 100 hours. Approved hours, I only have 5 approved hours. I have 95 hours remaining in my internship. I've submitted a total of 13 hours. And it looks like my preceptor is asking me to resubmit, and I'm still waiting for 8 of my hours to officially be approved. And then the activity breakdown is where I will see that all my hours so far have been towards project development. Once hours are approved, you'll start to see how many remaining hours you have until completed. You can edit your timesheet until your preceptor or instructor approves your hours. So maybe you made a typo in the comment. You can see here under timesheet status, submitted. It's not officially approved yet, so I can actually go in here and make edits if I need to, but I can't for this one right here. You can see here it says approved. And then I also see here resubmit. So your preceptor will probably email you or call you or tell you, say, hey, I told you to resubmit this particular time card because I want more detail under the comments or something like that. So once they do that, all you have to do is click in here and add more comments. So step 5 module on checks and voice over. And then I can save and it's resubmitted. Congratulations, you can officially submit your timesheets now in Sonia.